Hi everyone and welcome back to the Java class. In today's session, we will learn how to configure Java in Visual Studio Code. So let us open a Visual Studio Code and you can see here this is a welcome screen. In order to configure Java in Visual Studio Code, you will go to extension and here you will type Java extension pack. So you will select extension pack for Java that contains multiple packages, or this extension pack for Java contains 7 sub packages which help you to create and build your Java programs. So in order to install this package, you can just click on install. Now status is installing, and this extension pack for Java will take 5 to 10 seconds to install it. So just wait for 5 to 10 seconds. Now you can see extension pack for Java has been completely installed. Now you can write or build your Java programs. So just cancel this part and go to the Explorer. Click on it, or here now you can see inside no folder opened, you will find an option create Java project. You can see we have option create Java projects. Just click on it, select no build tool. It will redirect you to create a new folder in your machine. So in any of the folder or any of the drive or directory, you can create a new folder where your Java programs will be stored. So here I am selecting a desktop location and creating a new folder. So my folder name is my Java programs. So just select this project location. So all your programs will be stored in this folder, right? So now it is asking to select a new Java project name. So here you can write any project name. I am using lecture 01 jcodebook, right? So this is my Java project name and press enter. Now you can see here on the left hand side, this Java project is created, lecture 01 jcodebook. So whenever you will expand it, you will find different options. VS Code, inside it, you can see this is a settings.json file. So no need to just go inside it. You can see that there is a library, nothing we have inside it. You can see there is a source folder. So inside it, we have a by default app.java. You will open it, and this is a first Java programs, and it will be created by default whenever you will create your first Java project in Visual Studio Code. So this is a program that will display a simple message, hello world. So let us run this program and you will see what is the output of it. So right click on it and click on run Java. So now you can see your program is running and it will take 5 seconds to show the output. Just wait for 5 seconds. Here you can see it is showing the output, hello world. If you would like to show different message, you can display hello Java. You can simply save your program and right click on it and run Java. You will see it is showing hello Java. So guys, this is a way how to create and write your first Java programs. You can define some variables inside it. For example, int x is equal 10, or you are just trying to check this number is even or odd. So you can apply some condition, x modulo 2 equal 0. So it will display a message, x is even, x is even, else it is x is odd. So this is a way, guys, you can just do your Java programs. You can write your Java programs. So let me just change it. So right click on it and select run Java, and you will see the output here. The 10 is even. So this is a way how to create a Java programs. In the similar way, you can create some other files also. So how to create other Java files or other Java class. So you can see here, this is your project name, or here, whenever you will hover your mouse, you will find different icons here. That is to create a new file. This is to create a new folder inside it. This is used to refresh your Explorer. So how to create a new file? You can just select new file, or you can write the file name. For example, I am using circle.java. So now you can see this public class circle is created. Now you can complete the definition of this class and you can enjoy the learning of your Java programs. So guys, I hope you understand how to create your Java programs in Visual Studio Code or how to configure your Java programs in Visual Studio Code. So I hope you understand this and you enjoy the session. Thank you. Bye-bye. Have a great day. We'll see you in the next session.